Hi guys, Sam Master Reed here. I just wanted to touch in very quickly and give you guys some quick updates. We have the Labor Day weekend coming up and we will be closed this Saturday and Monday so our staff can get a little bit of time off before this big September that's taking place. Classes will resume on Tuesday. Now, the following Saturday, which I do believe is Saturday, September the 9th, we will have our open house. It's a super, super important event to us. It's an opportunity for us to give back to the community and also showcase some of our kids and young people. So at 10 o'clock in the morning, we've got a kids workshop for everyone. At 11 o'clock will be board breaking. We got raffles, we got socials, we got all that type of stuff going on. 11:30, like I said, martial arts demonstration for the kids, and then we've got Tai Chi and Qigong Workshop. I'll be teaching that at 12. At 1 p.m. we've got adult self-defense, and then we got tricking. That's right, tricking at 2 p.m. And I think that the kids are really, really going to enjoy that. So all you guys, please get signed up for that and bring some guests with you. The following Friday, we're going to have Parents Night Out, and it's going to be Nerf Wars. That is our most popular event. Please get signed up for that early so that we have a good idea of who's coming so that we have enough stuff to take care of everything for that event. Then we have testing. Now, all the information is on masterreadresources.com. You can also go to PMASpecialEvents.com and it'll bring you to the listing of all this information. And then from there, you can click to what you want to have. That's all I got for right now, guys. I'm just looking forward to a great September. Sri Makasi, aloha, one love. Have a great weekend. Peace.